So I'm looking at the app now, and I see that I have imperial, which is centimeter and kilogram, and that doesn't add up because it should be the other way around. Metric is centimeter and kilogram. So I just want to change that first. So I go to my strings folder and just change the order here. Then I go to sign up to Java. And I think we built a measurement change here. So if it starts with I, then it should be feet and inches and then pounds. So let's just try to run that. So now we can see that I've chosen metric and it's centimeter and kilogram. If I imperial, it will change to feet and inches and pounds. Handle this number here, centimeter number. Transfer, and here is it. Next, height. So in the sign up, let's find height here. Edit text height. So edit text height is equals to edit text find view by id var.id edit text height, and there is another one. That's the edit text height inches. Okay, now we have both of them. So let's convert them to strings. And edit text height equals to string height equals to text height dot get text. And let's do dot toString. Let's do the same for the inches height. Okay, now I want to check if they are actual numbers. I just want to convert them to numbers. Just go to my website, Android, string to double. There's the code for that. And I want to just make strings now for centimeter. Make centimeter equals 0. Double height, and if we choose here the imperial, we get feet and inches. So I want that for feet for 0. I want it for inches equals 0. So let's just convert the height. I'm thinking maybe we should just call this height in feet, just to make it height in centimeter. And the same here in my layout, just to clarify that this is centimeter. Okay, so let's try to convert the first one. Height in centimeter equals to edit text. Now to string height in centimeter. And if not, we want an arrow. Height has to be a number. And let's do the same for the inches part. So first convert centimeter, convert inches. And if not, it has to be a number. Okay, let's find out if we are going for metric or imperial. And we created a method up here. Let's just copy that down here. So, okay, if it starts with imperial, then we have feet and inches. Then we need to convert, because we want to save the number in centimeter. And if not, then there's no problem. You can just keep it as it is. So what I want to do now is take feet and inches to centimeter. Formula. So it's foot times inches, no, foot, and the formula is foot times 12 plus inches times 2.54. Centimeter equals this. So our height in centimeter is then height in feet plus height in inches multiplied by 2.54. So let's just try to run this code. will just write height in centimeter equals this number. Height in foot, feet, inches equals that number. And I always seem to forget how the rest of the toast messages. Toast of length, yeah. I just need to make a quick restart of Android Studio, and then I will run the program. So now I'm just trying to convert. I have 5.3 and it should be 160 centimeter, and I get 7.62. So the problem, I think, is that the first number here is 0. So let's just think a bit. Metric or imperial? So we'll just make I will make a boolean metric, and I will say that it's true. I'll just move this metric or imperial over here. So if it's imperial, then the boolean metric will be false. Just to clarify if it's metric or imperial. So if metric is true, then do something, else then do something. So if metric is true, then just use the number as it is. Height in centimeter has to be a number, and if it's not, then we have to actually convert. So then we will actually have to convert not centimeter, but this time feet. So we say that the height in feet equals this string. First we will say that the error message has to be a number in the feet. Then we take inches, and then we need to convert it to centimeter. Okay, let's try to run the code now. I think it would work better now. The app is now running. Let's try to make it to imperial. And I said that I wanted 5.3. So 5 here, 3 here, 160 centimeter, just as we wanted. Okay, it works, but now if we change here to metric, it says 5, and it's not correct. It should be 160. So let's just go up to our switch here. So if it's imperial. Okay, so we have it from imperial, but we switch it to metric. So now we need to change feet and inches to centimeter. So we'll just take what I want to take is now I have to think a bit. I want to now find this one. Text equals to the text sign by ID. R.ID. And this one I want, and then I want to find the next one, and it was inches. It's already defined up here, so I can just put this also up here. And now I would convert feet I will convert this to strings first. String 5 centimeter. This one to string. The same for the one in inches. Okay, we are down here now. So what I want to do now is to try to parse these two into numbers. So just copy the code from down here. So now we'll just check that if the height in feet is not equal to 0 and the height in inches is not equal to 0. I will do the conversion. And now I want to update the text also. Set text set text something plus height in the centimeter. Okay, I think this should work. Let's try to run it. Okay, we are now in imperial mode. We want to write 5.3, sign up, and we get 160, but we want to change, we want to go to metric, we'll get 160. And now if we go back to imperial, this number should also be updated. So we are now here, imperial, find feet. So now we need to convert the centimeter number. Height in centimeter equals string height in centimeter. So if this is not 0, we can then convert centimeter into feet. And let's look for formula for centimeter and feet. $160. Centimeter into feet. Java formula. Yeah, so we need to use the modulo. Okay, now I understand. So the formula was should just be the opposite of this one. So height feet equals to centimeter. So I will just write it. Feet equals to centimeter times this number divided on 12. So height in feet equals to height in centimeter times 12 plus times and now we need to set the edit text height in centimeter to this number. There's an error. Oh, I'm missing this one. The multiplication. Okay, this will be like, okay, let's just put up the calculator.